Hey guys, Motor XR here, and today we're going to be reviewing this pen style stun gun. So I have two of these Vipertech stun guns, but the main problem I have with these is they're big. It's like an event to carry these, you know. So they're much bigger than what I would like, as you can see, about the size of the box we're unboxing here. So basically what this is, it should be hopefully the size of a pen, and there it is. See if anything else is inside the box. Yep. So we have a USB charging cable inside the box. It takes just a micro USB, and yeah, so this is the same size as this, coming in at just under 6 inches or 15.5 centimeters, and it's much smaller and much lighter than this. First impressions, it's light, comfortable though. Should be much nicer to carry. If I turn it on, out of the box it is fully charged. It has a power indicator. Another thing that this doesn't have is a power indicator. Looks like if we just press the button, yep, it works. So yeah, I will be carrying this from now on. Alright, so here we are, just taking a look at the specs here. Output is a 1000 kilovolts. It's 156 millimeters, or the diameter is 15.1 millimeters. So now the amperage is 1.8. I believe that's 1.8 milliamps because it only takes 1 amp to kill you. So yeah, I doubt it's 1.8 amps, probably 1.8 milliamps. And the weight is 38 grams. So like I said before, it's nice and light. So I'll go ahead and show you it in my pocket. Okay guys, so here it is in my pocket. It would be nice to have had a sheath for it, but it does fit in my pocket, real low profile, which is very nice compared to something like this Vipertech, where it takes up the full pocket compared to something like this. So that is something to keep in mind, just the portability. I will probably end up making a sheath or taking a sheath from a flashlight to further carry this. But it's not bad. This was $21, and I'll go ahead and post the link for it in the description. So yeah, thanks for watching.